Have you ever wanted to try out the newest features within Microsoft Excel before anyone else? In this real quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get access to all the brand new features and functions Microsoft are developing ahead of their general release. So, if you're ready, grab your coffee and let's get into it. Open a version of Excel, head to File and then Account. Head over and click the Microsoft 365 Insider button and choose Join Microsoft 365 Insider. You need to check the Sign Me Up checkbox and then choose the channel you want to be part of. The current channel preview gives you early access to fully supported builds, but if you want to try out the most recent features as early as possible, then it's the beta channel you'll want to sign up for. As you get access to the features that are still currently in development, this comes with a little more risk around using unsupported builds. Make sure you have the Check and Apply Updates box checked, and then agree to the terms and click OK. Changes should then be applied and you can start trying out all the newest features which come out. A great way to find out what's coming out in Excel is by visiting the blog, which you can get access to by selecting the About Microsoft 365 Insider, then navigate to the blog section and filter by Excel. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments if this is something you're going to be trying out, and I'll see you in the next video.